Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and I'm going to share with you some things I found at a dollar store so you can look around at your local dollar stores. Sometimes I venture into another city just to see what they've got, and these little dollar stores have a whole lot of stuff. This has been amazing. I mean, this to me is like a super find. So I'm going to share this with you and think out of the box, look around the stores and see what you can find. But these I found at a dollar store, a bargain store, and then these I did too. They were $1.50. Those were $1, but I also saw them at the 99-cent store for 99 cents. They come in a few different colors. They also have a pink one too. So let me show you what I've got, and make sure you stop at these bargain stores and see what they've got. So due to background music, I'm going to talk over this. I was so excited when I found these dippers there at the bargain store. They were $1.49. These were the same price as the blue ones that I've shown you in the past from Daiso, but these hold over 40 ounces. The blue ones hold not much, about 12 ounces. So this is really good if you're making a compost tea and you don't want to put your hands in that. You would just use this dipper, and then it's got a hole in the handle so you can hang it off of anything, a hook or whatever. I've got some hooked up to my totes now. I absolutely love these dippers. They have it here, as you can see, where the cups are. So when you go into these stores, you really have to go up and down the aisles to see where they put these things, because sometimes they don't even know what they are. And they'll just put them anywhere, and these they put in the cup department where they sell sippy cups. But these are going to work really good, perfect for just watering plants when you have a bucket around, you're making compost tea, whatever you're doing. They're fabulous. And they come in two colors at this store. Look around and see at any of your other stores that maybe they got them in as well. There was another thing that they got in, were these plastic simple purses kind of, but they're not. They're a basket, and I love them. I'm telling you, this has been like a super find for $1. Those are $1. I actually also found them at the 99-cent store. The 99-cent store had them in blue. Here they had them in green, yellow, and a very dark pink. These have been wonderful. I'm using them for harvesting my plants, for everything, and carrying my garden tools. So these baskets, I went wild over them. And you know why? I use them for my tools, my garden tools. They're plastic. I use them for harvesting. Here I've got a cucumber I just took out of the box garden. I've got a giant squash. And what I love about them is you can wash them. So after you use them, you can wash them. They're easy to grab and hold. They only cost $1. So this has been a super find. I just can't say enough good things about it. And of course, I found dippers now. The handle isn't as long as the Daiso ones, the ones with the really long handle. These, but you know what? You don't need it that long. Daiso sells these, and a lot of you guys don't have Daiso, and there's only a few around. They're $1.50, but these are $1.50 as well. And I'm going to say this is bigger. This is 40 ounces. This is nothing. So if you were going to take plant food from a bucket, this is a really, really good, solid handle. And you're not putting your hands in any of the plant food, or even just to dip and get water to go water your plants. This has been wonderful. I bought a bunch. Then, of course, the containers they have. Trash cans, plastic dish pans, all kinds of containers. Perfect to grow in. And, of course, you can also make bird baths out of them too. And you can get creative with some of the fancy baskets they have. But we'll do that as time goes on. Then for gardening, I love using dish gloves, the plastic ones. It just seems easier on my hands. I don't get any soil on me. It works fine. And, they last for quite a while too. Even if they leak a little bit, it doesn't matter. Look through. You can get them at the 99-cent store for 99 cents, or they're a little bit more at Dollar Tree. And then, of course, the cups. We're going to make lots of Hummingbird bird baths, and these cups are fabulous. The colors are beautiful, and I like to turn them upside down, so think of the design. This one is interesting because this cup has a straw in it that it has two sizes. One side of the straw is quite thick, or bigger, the opening, and the other side is thinner. So if you had a solar fountain, you could probably get this straw to work on some of the parts that come with your solar fountain. So this could be a win-win fountain to make for your hummingbirds. But this is adorable. I bought a couple for me to make some fountains, and The way that closes, I can use it in the garden, and I know for a fact that nothing's going to crawl in there when I'm not looking, keeping my drink very clean. So look around and see what will work for you. Isn't that cool? This is like one of the really cool finds. It's going to be really easy to make a bird bath too, because it's a lightweight plastic and it's going to sit there really good. We'll do that pretty soon too. So check your stores out. If you've got some bargain stores, be sure to check them out, Dollar General, all of those, and see what they've got, because you never know what you can find that's going to help you in the garden. Or even with hummingbirds. With that, have a great, great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. This is where they can take a bath and get something to eat too.